What's up, data? So let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis on GBP USD. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. As you can see, GBP USD on the lower time frame giving us a significant trading opportunity. Now, before we discuss how we can trade, let's look at the bigger picture to see the general direction in the market, and then we'll jump onto this lower time frame to see how we can trade GBP USD. First of all, let's look at monthly time frame to see overall picture in the market. Now, from the monthly perspective, we see that GBP USD was back to back 4 months in a strong bullish momentum. Now, with that momentum, we have seen that GBP USD has broken all this important monthly level of resistance and created this overextended market to the upside. Now, with that overextension, previous months we have seen that GBP USD failed to create any new higher high, and as a result, this month we see that GBP USD started to drop. As this market already overextended to the upside, we can expect now a significant retracement in this market. So if we take our Fibonacci from starting of this move to the end of the move, we see that GBPUSD we can expect now at least a 38.2% Fibonacci level, which is also aligning with this monthly resistance zone here. This is the resistance here, also turning support here. So we can expect now GBPUSD at least to test this Fibonacci level or even break this level to the downside on the monthly perspective. Now looking at weekly time frame to see how the price action is forming. Now as you can see from the weekly perspective, GBPUSD created first of all a double top formation on the weekly with a lower high on the right side and then has broken down. Now this weekly candle, as you can see, this is a long bearish candle that has a full body red, huge volume in it. During the NFP, this candle has been created. Now with that breakdown we saw this week, there was a gap opening, a little bit of retracement to the upside, and now the price again rejecting to the downside. As this is now a reversal, we can expect now GBPUSD slowly at least to come back to this support zone that is also acted here as a resistance here, turning support here on the weekly perspective as well. So monthly, weekly giving us a potential opportunity for GBPUSD to drop. If we look at daily time frame, what we see that from the daily perspective also there is a strong, as you can see, head and shoulder here, and then breakdown from this head and shoulder. As it was going in a long term uptrend, the price failed to create, as you can see, new higher high, and from this resistance with a head and shoulder, the price has broken down on the daily perspective. Now previous day we see there was a narrower candle, narrow doji. With this narrow doji we see that today the price retraced to the upside, fill that gap, created a lower high, and then now the price is rejecting. As you can see, the price is strongly bearish, and the price on the daily as well failed to create a higher high. We can expect now this price to continue to drop, as there isn't any significant level of support that the price to stop in this zone. So we can expect now slowly the price to melt to this zone where there is a previous resistance zone, turning support here. Now if we look at the further lower time frame for a potential entry opportunity, what do you see that first of all, you can see there is a clear liquidity gap in the zone with this 4 hour time frame, and then created this big move correction. There has been another move correction. Now it is in another impulsive phase. So looking at further narrowing down to this zone, we see that in this zone there is a very high probability for GBPUSD to continue to drop. As you can see, there's a once there was a liquidity gap, strong liquidity gap has broken all these sessions high with this doji. The next one created a lower high, and we see that now this current session the price also grabbed liquidity from the top, and then again it is breaking down. Now this current session's candle is highly bearish, as we see multiple liquidity grab with a series of lower high. Highly likely that GBPUSD will continue to drop from this level to the downside. So as soon as we will find suitable entry opportunity along this zone on GBPUSD to take this move to the downside, we will consider going short with a high probability trade setup with our students. Now, if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button And also let us know in the comment section which way you are trading GBPUSD. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.